So 1 year ago we got here. This was all filled. Yep. All of this was filled. And we've changed it several times since. And I think I'll just go through the months and see what I can show you. So this is not a grape house. It was our greenhouse. I'm not paying for a cover the same price as the greenhouse itself. So I decided to let all the different grapes come. All the different kinds. So we got muscadines. We got regular classic muscadines, cohorts. We have Concord grapes. We have fry grapes. They're called fry grapes, but they're actually a muscadine. And baby, when I say he is going off, he said, what? I'm busy, ma'am. I'm busy. So many grapes. Yeah. And then we have another grape right there. I forget what it's called right now, y'all. But the whole idea is for them to grow over this. Yeah. And wrap it. And they might even give us a little reprieve as the hot seasons come. Y'all, this bed is a maniac. We got everything from lemongrass and lemon balm to collards to golden raspberries, split leaf cilantro, slow boat cilantro, little fingers bambino, in Adelaide carrots. We have Nadia eggplants, which I sell in my store. We have the other eggplant that I have. I can't think of what it is. We got elephant garlic, regular garlic. We have flamingo strawberries. And baby, when I say these things are showstoppers, I mean stopping this show. We have lettuce. It's just so much in here, y'all. We got our sunken gardens for the clay. And here, guys, look. This was clay. Still a little clay, but it's getting dark. Look at that. And we're growing tomatoes, greens, and carrots in it. Sure are. We sure are. Look at that. Ooh, a 2-for-1. Look at that. Okay, we got more elephant garlic. We got some diva cucumbers going over there. We're going to start this up for cucumbers. No dig way. We got peppers that were naked. We got red veins the world. We got marigolds. We have collards. We have banana plants coming back. Child, y'all listen. The organized mountain of chaos. We just planted these tomatoes. They were like 6 inches a week and a half ago. And now they are setting fruit and snapping. So much so they've dwarfed the pepper and split him up. We have lettuce, collards, elderberry. Let me take this because I rooted this. Look at that. Ha! Taking that for a friend. Yep. We have shisho, split leaves again, collards, rosemary, purple sweet potato.